The Keychron Q1 Max brings wireless to a premium aluminum 75% keyboard, but does it justify the €199 price tag? Here's what you get. Keychron Q6 Max knob Barebone version. A custom wireless mechanical keyboard. Features a full metal body, a 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth wireless connection, QMK/via key remapping, a 1000 Hz polling rate, double gasket design, screw-in stabilizers, and more premium features. Program the Q6 Max with QMK and via remap any key and create macro commands, shortcuts, or key combinations through the QMK/via the polling rate is 1000 Hz right out of the box on 2.4 GHz and wired modes, 90 Hz on Bluetooth mode, which makes the latency hardly noticeable even in competitive games, and 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connection. The 2.4 GHz wireless and wired connection boasts a rapid 1000 Hz polling rate. You can also connect the Q6 Max with up to 3 devices via a stable Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless multitasking. The full aluminum CNC machine chassis is a standout feature. It gives the keyboard a rock-solid, premium feel that rivals custom boards costing twice as much. The double-gasket design further enhances the typing experience by providing a consistent, slightly bouncy feel across the entire frame, reducing harsh bottom-out impacts. QMK and VIA support make this one of the most customizable keyboards at this price point. You can remap every key, create macros, and adjust lighting layers without touching any proprietary software. The web-based VIA configurator works smoothly in real time, though it requires a browser with web USB support. Out of the box, the typing feel is excellent thanks to the gasket mount and included Keychron Jupiter switches. The double gasket design isolates the plate from the case, giving a refined, thocky sound profile that many enthusiasts prefer. The hot-swap PCB also lets you easily swap in your favorite switches without soldering. Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity is reliable and low latency for most users. I experienced no noticeable lag during daily typing and casual gaming. Battery life is also impressive, lasting over 100 hours with the backlight off, so you won't be charging it every day. The hot-swappable PCB supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, giving you immense flexibility. Combined with the pre-installed screw-in stabilizers, which are decent but benefit from lubing, you can quickly fine-tune the board to your ideal sound and feel. This makes the Q1 Max a great platform for Switch enthusiasts. At €199, the Keychron Q1 Max faces stiff competition from cheaper aluminum 75% boards like the ACO Mod 007. While the Keychron offers wireless support, the ACO provides a similar typing experience for nearly half the price. You're paying a premium for the brand and the slightly refined double gasket design. The stock stabilizers, while screw-in, often come with factory lubricant that can be uneven. I noticed a slight rattle on the spacebar and left shift out of the box, which required manual tuning to achieve the smooth, quiet operation expected at this price point. This is a common complaint with pre-built keyboards at this level. VIA software is powerful but has a learning curve for newcomers. Since it runs entirely in a web browser, you need to navigate keyboard layers, key codes, and macros without much hand-holding. More casual users might prefer a dedicated desktop app with a simpler interface, like those from Razer or Corsair. The keyboard is heavy, weighing over 1.8 kilograms due to the full aluminum construction. This makes it unsuitable for frequent travel or carrying between setups. If you need a portable wireless mechanical keyboard for coffee shops or co-working spaces, a lighter option like the new PHY Air 75 would be far more practical. The Keychron Q1 Max is an excellent choice for desktop enthusiasts who want a premium typing feel, wireless freedom, and deep customization. If you're willing to spend €199 and invest a little time tuning stabilizers, it's hard to beat. But if you're on a tighter budget or need portability, look elsewhere. Check the link in the description for current pricing on the Keychron Q1 Max and help support the channel.